All right, gonna teach you guys a little bit about cabin air filters. This is not vehicle specific. This is just a general video on how to do it. Most new vehicles, even some older ones, all work this way for the most part. So we're gonna learn a little bit today. First of all, a cabin air filter is basically your AC filter. All right, most vehicles are driven between, I would say, 10 to 15,000 miles per year, on average. Now, why it is important to keep this cabin air filter clean, anything that does not get trapped by the filter will pass through the system and into the AC evaporator, okay? And eventually that can cause problems with the AC system. And keep in mind, again, it's like an AC filter. That's basically what it is. All that air being, when you have your recirculate button on, that air, AC air, is getting recirculated. So that's the air you're breathing, okay? That's another reason to keep this changed. Once a year, I keep a little diary, little composition book in my glove department, okay? Everything you do, oil changes, keep everything written down. That way you know everything. Hey, I rotated my tires on this date, this many miles. It's a good idea to do that. So let's take a look at this new filter. Okay, as you can see, there is an arrow. I don't know if you can see it. My lighting, it's so bright out here. You see that arrow on the new filter? That's always gonna go up, okay? Or in the direction of your little pull tab, and I will show you that here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, in the vehicle now you can see that arrow a little bit better. Okay, let's get to how to change one. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. Always gonna be behind your glove department. Okay, so just pull down your glove department. Okay, let me get all my junk out of here. Okay, it's gonna be behind the glove department. So basically what you're gonna wanna do is get this glove department to where it swings down further than it normally would. Most of them, you're gonna have this little shock absorber thing. Might be on both sides. You're just gonna pop that. See how that works? It just goes snapped onto here. The other side hooks in. You're not gonna worry about that. You're just gonna worry about this part you pop off. My other side on this vehicle does not have one. So what you're gonna do now, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see this tab right here. You're gonna push in on both sides. Put your right hand here, left hand on the other side, and you're gonna push in, okay, past the little tab, and that's gonna free that and allow the compartment to swing all the way down past what it normally would, okay? All right, push in. It's real simple. Okay, easy peasy, no problem. Little plastic pieces that kind of hook in. And it's kind of like a little keeper, no problem. Okay, so we got it down easy, and like I say, on most vehicles it's all the same. It's just basically pieces of plastic that hold it up, no problem. There's my glove department swung all the way down. So now you can see you're gonna have a little piece of plastic running across. That's just a cover. Some of these are different. You have these little tabs. It might hook in on one side and you pop it loose on the other. Mine, you just squeeze it together, whoop, and it pops off. It's just that simple. And that's the way it went. And you can see the arrow pointing up. That's what I was mentioning earlier about the filter, how it's got that arrow. That's how you're gonna slide it in. And then you put this back, reverse the process, and you are done. Keep in mind, again, do it maybe once a year. I say between 10 and 12,000 miles at the most. That's when I do it. I like to keep them clean because that's the air I'm breathing. That's for my health. That's for the health of the AC system itself. All right. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you coming to the channel, viewing a video of mine. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed week coming up. Take care. Keep that engine running good. Keep that vehicle running good. All right. Take it easy. Bye.